Here are 3 things I do every single time I feel overwhelmed, stressed out, not quite sure what decision to make, or I'm feeling a sense of like blah. Okay, so here are 3 things, and I do them every single time. They're short, they're sweet, and they work. And so you try them out and notice where you could put them into your life. Okay, and that's the key: is practical, good advice that helps just fuel our day-to-day stuff. By the way, I'm Salimah, yoga therapist, and I love this Kundalini yoga stuff. I'm glad you do too. So again, when I'm feeling whatever, it's feeling a little off, first thing I do, give it a shake. Okay, so about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, my bracelets are shaking. Ignore the sound. Shake, 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 shake. Maybe you even put on your favorite song and just let every single part of your body release itself. When we're stressed out, we tend to tense our bodies. And so this little practice here is about letting go, letting loose, loosening up these thoughts. Okay. So that's practice number 1, shake it off. Practice number 2, I do this immediately following, and that is a thumb squeeze. So take your thumbs to the base of your fingers, squeeze your hands, the rest of your fingers around your thumb. Take a deep inhale and squeeze. Squeeze, hold your breath, squeeze, 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 tense, 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 hold, hold, hold. And then when I say go, you're going to let go of your hands and let go of your breath at the same time. 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Squeeze, tense, hold. Count for about 10. 3, 2, and 1. And then last one. Squeeze, tense, and hold. And exhale, let it go. Amazing. Here's a third technique, and I added on right at the end, and that is 3 sniffs and a pow. And through the mouth, as if I was blowing everything that's bothering me out of the way. Imagine it and let it go. One more time. Inhale, squeeze, tense, hold. Let it go. So 3 sniffs and let it go. 3 sniffs. Let it go. Last one. And there you go. That's exactly what I do whenever I get into a situation where I need a little bit of relief. I need a new portal to open. I'm ready for the next idea, thought, and that's my little sequence. Try it out, check it out, use it in all kinds of different scenarios. Drop a comment below, let us know what you felt, because each one of us is unique and different. Some might work better than others for you. This might be the sequence that works for me, but maybe you need a different order for it to really flow. That's fine. Use it, change it up as you need to, but use it. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend, like, subscribe, do all the things so that this information goes as wide as it possibly can. And if you're looking for more, check out my link in bio. Lots of great ways for us to work together. And I'd love to meet you. Numerology is a great way to do that. Teacher training is an even better way to do that. And harmony within, equally as good. Lots of love to you. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.